Today, I'm in this beautiful mountain village to show you how these handmade bricks are made without any machines. Everything you see here is this village still produces handmade bricks the same way their ancestors did. No machines, no factories, no freeing, just hands, earth, and fire. It all begins with natural clay from these mountains. This soil is strong and perfect for making solid handmade bricks.
Cuidado con esa carga, no se desmorone. Sí, jefe, está bien compacto. Ya casi llenamos esta, movamos la siguiente. Eso es, equipo.
Faster, we need more soil over here.
Yes, coming right away.
Good, pile it high.
Keep it steady over there.
After collecting the clay, they carry it by hand to the workshop. Every step is physical work, but that's what keeps this process truly traditional. They carefully clean the clay before shaping the handmade bricks. Removing small stones helps make each brick stronger and smoother. Now the clay is crushed using simple stone tools. This turns it into a fine base mixture for the handmade bricks. This thick mixture is the heart of the handmade bricks. The texture must be just right before shaping begins. This is where the handmade bricks take their final shape. Each one is pressed and shaped completely by hand. This heating stage is crucial. The fire slowly transforms the soft mixture into strong handmade bricks. They carefully control the heat by adjusting the wood. Too much fire can crack the handmade bricks, too little makes them weak.
Push it further in. It's catching well now. I'll add another piece.
After shaping, the handmade bricks are left under the mountain sun. Natural air and sunlight slowly harden them. This brick is strong. The texture tells a story of care.
And the imperfections?
They are marks of authenticity, a good foundation.
See the straw? It binds the clay.
Yes, I see it.
It makes the brick strong. See this? This is good earth. It looks strong.
Yes, the sun bakes it hard.
I see.
See here? The cracks may be fast.
I see. What should we do?
We cover it next time.
Here we see the authentic process of crafting handmade bricks. Using only natural rope and wooden crates, these artisans stack each brick with meticulous care.
All right, lift on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Easy now. Good. Down slow. Set.
Pass me a few more.
There you go.
Steady now.
This simple brick, handmade here, represents the heart of our history, forged in the spirit of this mountain village.